Hey YouTube, this is KShadow22 here bringing you guys a new video, and today what we're going to be doing is a login. Now this is going to be a basic login. I'm going to make another video on how to do advanced login, so just stay tuned for this. So you're going to want a new project or a new form. And we know what we're going to need, so I'll be right back. Okay, so you should have two text boxes and a button. And so the first one should be username. The next one should be password. And for the password field, you should scroll down in the properties and make it use system. Now for the login, since this is going to be the basic video, we're just going to say what we're actually going to go is go on your project, go to settings, and create a username field and a password field. Now, you're going to want to put your username that you want right here. So let's say your username is Bob. Actually, I'm going to make mine subscribe. And let's say the password field should be whatever. So I'm going to have mine KShadow22. I'm going to actually lowercase that. So then it's going to ask you if you want to save and hit yes. So under the button one click, you're going to have some if statements. So if my.settings.username equals textbox1.text, then we're going to create another if statement. If my.settings.password equals textbox2.text, then we can say it's unlocked. Show so then there's that, and we can have it so we can create another message box and just have it say login failed. Then we can create a jump statement. By the way, all this will be in the description for you guys, so you can just edit, copy, and paste. It'll be really easy for you guys. So we can have a end of script statement and say go to end of script. So this will be really nice. So we can go ahead and debug this. We know our username is KShadow22, and let's say we forgot what our password was, but we're going to type in 123456. We're going to hit login. It's going to say login failed. Let's say we do subscribe. It's going to fail again because the username is subscribe and the password is KShadow22. Then you have been granted access, and of course it skips over the login failed, so that is great. So instead, if you want to actually put like something else, like have it open another form, you can have it do that. I'm just going to go ahead and have it do that so that way we know. So that way you guys can see what it'll actually look like. So form to, you know what, I want to keep that old code there just for you guys. You have been granted access, then have form2.show. And end the application, what we're going to do is add just a button right here, rename it to end, and we're going to double click it and type end. So that'll just end the application for us when we press that and get everything hooked up. And that right there. And so that's basically all for this, and there's some other ways that you can do it, and I guess if you guys want to keep watching, you can see the other ways really quick. So maybe instead of having what you would call it, the my.settings way, there is another way. So I'm going to go ahead and create another login, and I'm going to name it login2. The way you would log in with this is basically you're going to say if if text box 1 dot text equals key shadow, actually username subscribe, then if text box 2 dot text equals key shadow 22, then we can have it perform all of this right here. So basically just our if statements change. The rest remains the same. We can go ahead, plug this in, and it will work. So right now we can see that the login fails for both of them. If we type in subscribe, key shadow 22, and hit login, I'm going to be granted access and it's going to load up the form. So that is a great 2 ways, simple. I'll make sure I put all of this in here for you guys. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see a advanced way, continue to the next video.